In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple apple and cinnamon detox drink that will aid in weight loss, increase your energy levels, fire up your metabolism, while increasing your energy levels so that you can go about your day. I will explain the health benefits of having this simple apple and cinnamon detox drink as part of a regular diet, at least 2 to 3 times per week, and will explain how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy drink consists of only 3 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are 1/4 cup of chopped apple, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a glass of water. Once you have all the contents gathered, place everything in a glass and mix until you have a consistent texture. And once that is done, place all the contents into a jar or container and leave in the fridge overnight. For the most effective results with this drink, make sure to have the glass first thing in the morning as soon as you get up, on an empty stomach. This simple and healthy drink not only helps to boost the immune system, but it also helps to detox the body, help to lose stubborn belly fat while improving digestion, while also helping to improve brain health and function, with the added benefit of lowering blood sugar levels, and it tastes great too. This is a simple drink that won't take long to prepare, and you will be amazed at how great it tastes to get your day off to the perfect start. If you are looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track to feeling better and having more energy, then make sure to check out the link in the description to help get you started. If you are finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content. And as always, thanks for watching.